If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably struggling to get followers on your Facebook page. But the sad part is that this is a reality that everyone passes through when it comes to growing social media handles. Whether you're growing YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, we all get through this phase whereby we hardly get subscribers, but then wonder, how do others actually get these followers very fast? Well, when it comes to getting followers fast on Facebook, it all boils down to 5 simple things that I'm going to share with you in this video. These 5 simple things are simply things that everyone at all who wants to grow their Facebook page, regardless of the niche, really need to put into their page if they really want it to grow. I personally have several Facebook pages, over 10,000 and over 20,000 followers that I personally post content on, and I implement all of these things I'm about sharing with you. So with this already said, I won't take taking much of your time. Let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you these 5 simple things that you need to implement to actually help you grow your Facebook page faster. So let's get straight into today's video. For point number 1, when it comes to actually growing your Facebook page, is simply post content consistently. Now, what do I mean by posting content consistently? Now, when it comes to growing your Facebook page, as we all know, is that Facebook, unlike YouTube, is not into posting old videos like that. Like on YouTube here, when you post a video today, YouTube will keep promoting this video over and over again, and that is different from Facebook. Facebook, when it comes to how they actually help you promote your page, they focus on how often you post videos on your page. So if you want to focus on growing Facebook and really want to get a lot of audience on Facebook, then you need to make sure that in a week you are posting at least 3 videos on Facebook. Yes, that's the truth I'm going to tell you. If you can even do it every single day, that will be better. But if you can't do it every single day, make sure you're posting up to 3 videos every single week on Facebook if you want Facebook algorithm to actually recognize your page. And that's one thing I personally noticed from my experience. So whenever I've said I want to build a Facebook page from scratch, I make sure that I post up to 3 videos every single week. Now, when it comes to this 3 videos tradition, it's something I personally do across all my social media handle, including YouTube here as well. I post a lot of videos just to make sure that the algorithm gets to understand my content and they promote it as much as possible. So that's simply the first tip here when it comes to getting more followers on Facebook, is simply try as much as possible to post up to 3 videos every single week. Now, if you are someone who you think you don't have enough time to actually post up to 3 videos in a week, then the best thing you can actually do is simply try and record all these videos in a single day. Maybe any day that you have chance, you get to record all of these videos, and then you just keep them down or schedule them, and then you leave them right there to make sure that you are keeping your page updated. Because Facebook only focus on profiles that are always updated. If your Facebook profile is not updated, Facebook is just going to abandon you and kick you aside, because they have a lot of creators to actually focus on. So that is the point number 1 here. Simply, in order for you to actually get more followers on Facebook, make sure you're posting videos more actively and not just posting random videos, but videos that people are actually interested in. So now let's move over to the point number 2. Now, the point number 2 is simply engage with your audience. Now, this is very important regardless of the social media platform you are growing. When it comes to engaging your audience, it's something you actually need to do if you really want to grow your social media platforms. This is simply by reacting to their comment. Like when they drop a comment, try and reply their comment, or just react to it when it's not necessary to reply. Because at times some people will literally answer questions in the comment section, but I see a lot of pages whereby they actually ignore this comment from these people and all of that. Now, the truth is that when it comes to growing your Facebook page, or when it comes to promoting your videos on any platform, they look into your content comment section. Like the algorithm look at your comment section and see how active it is. If your videos are getting a lot of comments, trust me, the platform is going to push it more forward. Like for example, take a look at my YouTube channel right now. Look at my top performing videos and take a look at the comment section. You see that they have a lot of comments, and I reply to majority of them. Now, when it comes to replying to the comments, if the comments are really plenty, there's no way you can reply to all of them. But what you can simply do is reply to the ones that you know you can actually reply to, as long as you see the comment and you can reply to it immediately. Like if there are comments under my video, maybe there are about 100 and something comments, there's a higher probability that I'm going to reply to up to 70 or 80% of those comments, because not all of them will be question and some will just be praising you for the video you did and all of that. So some might not require you to reply anything, but those ones that don't require you to reply, you drop a like for them or just give them a heart. That's why you have the like and heart button on your comment section and all of that. So whenever someone drop a comment under your video, make sure you engage with them. Like even if you just a haha, you can just reply with a haha, just to keep the engagement going. Because when you reply to these people in your comment section, they tend to come back to the channel again, and this is very important. And this one secret I also learned to help me grow my social media platform. Like once you drop a comment under any of my video, I'll come and reply to the comments. Yes, that is a frank truth. The reason is that once I reply to the comment, they are going to send a person notification that they just reply to your comment. And when the person gets a reply, majority of the people will come back to that reply again to come and see whatsoever thing that you've dropped in there for them. So they also come in there, and then gradually you are getting to build relationship with them. And one thing with people is that people often like being in a place whereby they are highly accepted, where they're highly regarded. So if they see that your page is replying to their requests and all of that, why not? They will always try to turn up on your page every single day. Like, I posted a video last week that was simply about how to get music and use in your videos legally. That was never a video in my list. Like, I didn't even plan to upload a video that very day, but someone requested for it in my comment section. So what did I do? I just recorded a video, because it's not anything that will take me long. I have all my setup, everything in my house. So I just get into my recording space, recorded a video, uploaded it out there for the person. This one simply gives them that feeling that what they are in the right place to learn whatever thing they want to learn. And this one thing you also need to implement as well. Now, that is about the point number 2. Let's move over to the point number 3 when it comes to growing your page. Now, for point number 3, when it comes to actually growing your Facebook page, is simply repurpose your viral content or your most popular content. Now, what this simply means is that once you see any particular video getting a lot of attention on your page, simply repurpose that content. What I mean is that create an updated version of that video and then repost it again. Or you can simply just remix that particular video. And if you are someone who watch videos a lot on social media platform, then you definitely know about this already. You see some celebrities reposting some of their old videos, and you see them reposting some of even videos that they posted recently, maybe just 2 weeks or 1 month ago, then they will repost it again. Now, the reason why they are doing this is that they see that that particular video is getting a lot of attention. Now, they want to keep this attention going on their page. It's not that they don't have a new video to upload. They have a new video to upload, but this particular thing is giving them a lot of attention on the page. So they want to keep that attention going. That's why they are reposting it. Like, if you take a look at my channel right now, there are some topics whereby I created 2, 3, 4 videos on. Now, I created up to 4 videos on one particular topic. What is my intention there? My simple intention in doing that is simply because I know that I created the first version of this video, and the version got a lot of views. Like, if you take a look at this channel, I created so many videos about reaction, about the topic, make reaction videos. Now, why did I do this particular thing? It's simply because I see that reaction videos are getting a lot of attention on my channel. And one thing with social media platform is that they are not going to promote one video forever. They always try to promote what is new and all of that, because they are also looking for attention. Because once your video is getting a lot of views, they are also making a lot of money from their ad running on your videos and all of that. So I made different versions of this. I have up to 3, 4, 5, 6 videos just talking about how to make reaction videos alone. Now, after that, I also have several videos when it comes to how to make money on social media as well. Why? Because I see that how to make money on social media is giving me a lot of attention. In fact, I started this year with just about 3,000 something, I'll be 4,000 subscribers on here on YouTube. Now, by the time you are watching this video in September, if you are watching this video in September, we are already in 13,000 plus subscribers already. Now, this will tell you that I gained up to 9,000 plus subscribers within a short period of time in 1 year. Now, how did I do this? Simply because I tackled and repurposed my most viral content that are giving me a lot of attention. It simply means there's more demand for them, and when there's more demand for them, I created more variants, more versions of it, and more versions of it will reach different set of audience and different set of people out there. So that's simply it about the point number 3 here. Simply repurpose your most viral content by recreating an updated version of them, or simply just reacting to the previous ones, and you are good to go. So now let's move over to the point number 4 and 5. But before we get there, if this is your first time on my channel and you are not a member yet, kindly smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. And for those of you who are looking for a way to contact me easily, my Instagram handle, Facebook, everything is right on this video. You can just check the video page right there. You are going to see all my contact details and all of that. And you can also join my WhatsApp group where you get to communicate with me directly in the WhatsApp. You can ask questions and all of that. But if you have any question regarding this video, it's better I drop it off in this comment section so I will know it has to do with this video and all of that. Apart from that, you can join our WhatsApp community that will be tagged in this video description. So now that aside, now let's move over to the point number 4 on how you can actually get to grow your Facebook page. Now, the point number 4 when it comes to growing your FB page is simply cross-post whatever thing you post on your profile. Now, what I mean by cross-posting is that after you made a post and they publish this particular video on your Facebook page, now don't just let that video die on your page. Your page is probably pretty new, below 1,000 subscribers, below 5,000 subscribers. So you can't just keep this page there. There are no much audience on your profile yet. So what do? You get to cross-post this one to other social media platforms that you have hands in. Like for example, when I post a video here on YouTube, I'll take that video, I'll post it on my Facebook page. I'll post it on my second Facebook page. I don't even have any connection with this particular channel. I'll post it on my personal Facebook profile, and then I'll still reshare it again from all those pages to my profile again. Why? Because on my profile I have about 3,000 followers on my personal profile. I have a page of 20 something thousand followers. I have another page of about 400 followers, and on TikTok I have over 5,000 followers. Now, why am I doing all of this? I'm just cross-posting it because at least 2, 3, 4, 5 people from those platforms are actually going to find interest in this particular video, and they are going to follow up to YouTube to come and watch it. Now, when I post videos on Facebook, I also do same. I also share it to my WhatsApp status. On my WhatsApp, I don't have much content, but I do get up to 50 views. But out of that 50 views, when I post a video on it, some people are still likely to click on it. That is one thing a lot of you don't do when it comes to growing your social media handles, is that don't just post this video on your social media platform and let it die there. Cross-post it to other profile. Join groups that has to do with that particular topic you are discussing on that page. If it's celebrity, join a lot of celebrity groups out there. Whenever I post something, just share it to that group. And simple. When it comes over to creating content and growing social media pages in general, there's only one thing in it. It's taking advantage of situations. Like for example, you made a video that favors the topic whiskey. You just join whiskey groups and then share it, because the page is definitely going to allow it. Because why? The video satisfies their ego, because you are talking good about whiskey, you are sharing the video to their page. Most of them will accept it. You made a video about the video, you talk positive about the video, share it to the video profile, you satisfy their ego, they will accept it. I make a video about how you can make money online. There are a lot of people on social media out there looking for ways to make money online. I'll share this video onto them. They will see that, man, this actually satisfies what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for ways to make money online. They will click to watch. Oh, this is not what I want. But at the end of the day, they've already watched the video. Facebook has recorded that engagement. YouTube has recorded that engagement. The video is getting engagement. They'll keep pushing it, because this platform only push videos that they see that are giving a lot of attention, that are getting a lot of attention, both on and off the platform. So now that is the point number 4 here. Now let's move over to the point number 5. Now, for point number 5 is simply pay for ads. Like, pay Facebook to actually help you promote your videos. It's necessary. So, but this one, not everyone will actually do it. But one thing you need to understand is that you are definitely not going to get every single thing for free. As much as the platform is going to help promote you, you also need to put in some effort to also help promote yourself as well. So you can pay money to run ads and all of that. But if you think you don't have money to run ads on social media platform, that doesn't have to be a reason for you to give up or something. Then you just have to go through the organic method. So when you come over here, once you see most pages that you see that grow really fast, it's not just by hard work always. No, at times you just have to use the other alternatives by running ads. Like on Facebook, ads are not really expensive. With about $20-$30, you are definitely going to get a lot of followers on your page. If you're able to invest about $20-$30 in running ads, you are going to get a lot of followers. But when it comes to running ads, I always advise you that don't just run random ads, run ads that has to do with your page. So one thing you can simply do is that create a video and then promote that particular video, and not just promoting the page itself. Create a video and boost that particular video. Maybe you can use $10 to boost up to 3 of your videos, and you're going to get some decent engagement from there. Now, once you see that you are getting decent engagement from the ads, you don't have to sit back because you are running ad. No. Instead of sitting back like this, you get up. Whilst the ad is bringing you engagement, you also put in the work to actually get organic engagement as well. So both, when the paid engagement and then the organic engagement meet, your page gets to grow very fast. Like, not every page you see out there that will actually grow fully organically. At times you have to invest money in it as well. So that's simply it about the point number 5 here when it comes to growing your Facebook page. Is simply learn to invest in some cash as well if you really want to get good results as fast as possible. So that's simply all about this video. If you have any video requests, let me know that in the comment section. If you have anything to say about this video as well, let me know that in the comment section. So this already said, have a lovely day. Bye.